In this video, I'm going to show you how to change account location on Roblox. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Now to get started, first thing that you will need to do is to open Roblox on your device and sign in to your Roblox account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over to the More section by clicking on the More button. Now on the More section, go ahead and click on the Settings, and this will redirect you to Roblox settings. Now click on Account Info, and this will redirect you to the Account Info settings. On the account info settings, you'll be able to find your personal information along with your account information. So as you can see in here, there is no option for you to change your account location on the settings itself. So what you can do is to just head back to the More section, and on the More section, you'll be able to find the Help and Safety button, which will take you to the Help and Safety section. So click on Help and Safety, and here go ahead and click on Help, and this will redirect you to the Help section of Roblox. Go ahead and click on Roblox account. Using the search bar, go ahead and search for Change Account Location, and this will allow you to view all of the suggested helps that Roblox can give you. So go ahead and click on the How to Change Account Location on Roblox, and this will redirect you to another page where you can find how do I change my account location. So go ahead and click on the support form, and this will redirect you to the support form section of Roblox where you can create a ticket or request to change your account location on Roblox. So in here, just go ahead and fill up the necessary information such as your contact information along with the issue details such as the device that you're using while you're encountering the issue and the type of help category that you belong to. So on the type of help category that you belong to, just go ahead and click on the How To category. Now after you click on the How To category, go ahead and click on the Please Select and select How to Change My Location. Now under this, you can create a description of the issue that you're encountering before you hit the Continue button to continue submitting this ticket to Roblox.